Mr. Thacker!
Hey, how are you today?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well. It's good to have you.
Are you ready for our 34 rapid fire questions?
I am.
Great. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about being a Teacher of the Year finalist right now?
Oh, that's a 10 plus.
Describe yourself in a hashtag.
Hashtag kind.
What's your hometown?
Graham, North Carolina.
And how many years have you taught?
5 years.
If you could bring anyone as a surprise guest to your classroom tomorrow, who would it be?
Tim Tebow.
If your teacher life was a musical, what would the marquee say?
Have a great day.
What is one thing your students don't know about you?
I don't think they know that I collect pottery for a hobby.
And what is one thing people don't know about your students?
I don't think they know how amazing they are.
Assigned seating or flexible seating?
Oh, flexible seating.
Who is a teacher you remember and why?
Miss Honeycutt was a history teacher in high school, and she taught me to love history. She had a passion for teaching for her students. She really did get to know us, and she just impacted my life greatly.
What are 3 things you can't live without in your classroom?
Oh my goodness, my whiteboard, my coffee mug, and my pointer.
What's something you repeat daily to your class?
To make good choices and to have a great day.
What's your biggest accomplishment in time?
My biggest accomplishment, teaching.
In-person meeting or virtual meeting?
Oh, in person.
Favorite teaching learning app, if you have one?
Canvas.
Secret talent?
Ooh, that's tough. I don't know that I have a secret talent.
It's okay if you don't.
Okay. I love sports. How's that for talent?
Perfect. What's inspiring you in life right now?
I think it's my students and my family.
How did you feel when you found out you were selected as Teacher of the Year finalist?
Well, it truly was humbling and exciting to be recognized by your peers and then to go through the next step. It was surprising, but also rewarding in a way that to know that you're being recognized for what you do every day.
Best piece of advice you've received as a teacher?
To take it a day at a time, a class at a time, a student at a time.
What would you like to be remembered for?
That I was kind and helpful and I cared.
How do you define success?
I define success simply by, at the end of the day, did I do something good or kind, unexpected for someone? Did I make a difference in their life?
What do you love most about teaching?
It's the experience with these young people. They're amazing, they're bright, they challenge you every day. They're full of life, and that is so fun to be around.
If you could have a wild animal as a pet, what would it be?
Oh, I think a wild animal, that would probably be a lion.
What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Your least favorite color?
Green.
Coffee, tea, or water?
Definitely coffee.
Independent work or collaboration?
Can I say both to that?
Okay.
I enjoy both.
Pencil or pen?
Pencil. Teacher
duty or grading papers?
Teacher duty.
A skill you're working on mastering?
Working on using more applications in my classroom to enhance our learning experience.
Best compliment you've ever received by a student?
I think it's a simple one. Mr. Thacker, you know us and you care about us.
What's something you did not expect or nobody told you about teaching?
How challenging managing your time in the classroom, keeping attention, keeping things exciting and fun and different every day.
Can you finish a sentence for me? You ready?
Yes.
Public education of the future looks like?
It looks bright. I think there's going to always be challenges, but I see a bright future for public education. I think we need to keep up with our kids. I think their abilities are off the charts, and we just need to keep up with them.
All right, final question. What makes a good teacher great?
I think it begins with just caring about your children and your students, and letting them know that, and being open to that, and being willing to change, and be flexible with them, and listen to them, and you'll know what they need, and what best way to teach them, and to educate them, and to help them.
Well, those are 34 questions. You did it.
Wow, that's
Awesome.
amazing.
Yes, thank you so much for having us.
Well, thank you for being here. It's been a pleasure to have you today.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.